Look! When this woman was practicing pole dancing, her cat suddenly jumped onto the pole and started dancing with her. She trains at home every day, with her cat always watching nearby. At first, she noticed her cat just staring at her but didn't think much of it. Until one day, her cat suddenly climbed the pole like it was copying her. That's when she decided to teach it, and their pole dancing video together quickly went viral. I'll show you. But before that, if you love your cats and treat them like family, don't forget to like and subscribe. If not, just ignore. Share this video to show your love for them and leave some hearts in the comments. Now watch. Since then, she's been posting their moments online, just having fun and turning pole dancing into the sweetest memories together.